What's up, Ges and Bee Fam? For those of you who are new, welcome to our channel. I'm Jess.
And I'm Bee.
And together, we just be eating.
Join us today as we have Filipino food around our car.
I keep guessing the why.
Our car
Our
today.
car, guys.
So we'll show you guys what we got. We got a lot of things. She wrapped it up too.
Yeah.
This is a lot of these things you guys recommended, so
we took your recommendation and we put a list together, and here we go. We back at the Filipino food after that.
We couldn't resist. After Jollibee, that was way too good.
We had to highlight that right quick.
I guess that's kind of nice that she wraps it in saran wrap so it doesn't leak.
Fall or leak. Yeah.
It was hot though. This is.
Let me see. It's hot.
It's called.
It's hot. Let's see.
I think it's called Kare Kare.
Kare Kare.
Kare Kare.
So we're about to open it up so you guys can see.
Maybe it's like a curry because it sounds like curry.
Ooh, some meaty.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. It smells good though.
Let me smell.
It smells good.
I smell peanuts.
I smell peanuts too. It smells really good though.
Put the lid back on that.
I want to lick the lid though.
We go.
Why do we have to wait for the video though? Like,
because we gotta enjoy it with them. What does this say you got? Is this hot sauce? Ges and Bee Fam,
sorry guys.
Is this hot sauce?
She said that's hot sauce.
Oh, hot sauce. We got hot sauce.
Everything is wrapped for us. Like nothing will leak.
She wrapped everything in saran wrap. We got, what is this? Ooh!
Guys, we got some lumpia, white rice, and
adobo.
Check this out.
So we got the lumpia, adobo, and the white rice.
White rice, guys.
And the next one.
I'm gonna just wait. Y'all looking too much.
Oh!
Now that look like.
Look at this, guys. So we got.
Let me hold it out for y'all.
We got pancit and we got the palabok. You guys were telling us that the palabok needs lemon and lime.
We ain't forget that this time.
So we had to get. We got the lemon. Let me take it out because she like saran wrapped it.
And some people were suggesting that we mix everything together then put the
lemon. They said to like mix all the flavors together.
Don't worry guys, we're gonna get to that. We're gonna get to that.
So
this
oh my
looks
gosh,
amazing.
she wrapped this hardcore. So
oh my gosh.
I'm gonna just put it on now.
Yeah, put it on right now. What kind of squeezing is that? Let me see.
What do you mean? We don't put too much.
She said it goes well with the pancit too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, she said the palabok and the pancit.
Palabok.
Palabok. Sorry guys if I'm this is a squeeze right here. Got to show them that squeeze. Look at that, guys.
Because it wasn't the same as mine.
Anyway, let's eat. Let's eat.
Dang.
I ain't gonna say anything to you right now.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I
wish you could smell this.
I need a fork. Right now my heart is pounding right now because we about to enjoy this.
I'm gonna lumpia first. Guys,
let me get a bite.
I said I'm gonna get a lumpia.
This is how you mix it, guys? I'm gonna mix it all over for y'all. Y'all told me to mix it all up.
Oh my gosh, that lumpia is so good.
Mix it all over for y'all. And the lemon is in there too, so.
I'm gonna try the adobo. The fattiness of that. Oh my gosh. Oh, the rice?
The palabok is 10 times better.
Really?
With the lemon. Yeah, I was right.
I can't see you.
The palabok is actually 10 times better with the lemon. It's so good, guys. Amazing.
It like cuts all the flavors in the right spots. It's just different. Their noodles are bigger than the Jollibee one.
Way bigger. Pancit, little tiny little noodles.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Wow.
Look how chewy this is.
This plate is amazing.
Mmm.
For all y'all real Filipinos out there that suggests this,
you guys know. You guys know what's good. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I need to get more of that. I need that for lunch tomorrow. Oh my gosh, that pancit. I think I like it even more than the palabok.
I mean so much that the food is stuck in my throat right now. Here, I need water right quick.
Oh my gosh. Dang, this pancit is so
good. Why you always lock this?
Because I don't want it to spill.
Let me get some of that rice. Show them the food. You're hiding the food from them.
Sorry guys.
Let me get my fork.
Okay, no, for real, I need more of that pancit. Wait, we're gonna get more after.
Yeah, the rice is perfect.
I'll try it with the meat and the sauce.
Babe, what the heck?
Yup.
Man, y'all Filipinos, man, y'all making me happy, man.
We found the Kare Kare.
I'm gonna eat
it
after.
I haven't tried that yet. Guys, this pancit, oh my god. If you guys know the recipe for this, you need to hook it up because I need this in my life every day. In this place, we went to, it's called Remely's. R-E-M-L-U-Y-S? Is it E-Y-S? No, L-E-Y-S. It's at Shepherd and McCowan-ish area, so it's in Scarborough too.
This sauce, what is this, pork?
Yeah. Adobo, it's called.
Guys, this adobo is amazing with the white rice. Wow.
Hurry up and open the Kare Kare. I want to try that. Homeboy missed his mouth with the meat. You're playing some games.
What's happening?
Let me have that Lumpia.
Hold that.
Hang on,
I'm choking again. What the heck?
Why are you choking?
I eat too much at once.
Slow down.
That food too good.
And this Lumpia is so good.
Okay, I'm about to try the Kare Kare.
Kare Kare.
Kare Kare. Okay, what's in this?
I don't know. It smells like peanuts though.
We don't know what's in this.
Some kind of meat and bean. Oh, you're gonna eat it with the rice. Let me try them.
It's beef.
It's beef?
But the sauce is amazing though.
I want to eat it with the rice. It looks good with the rice.
Use the
I got it.
Just like I can taste some peanuts in it.
It's beef.
Let me get some rice with that.
It's so good with the rice. I need more of that sauce. That sauce is good. Can you spoon a little sauce on me?
The sauce?
Yeah, drizzle that on this bite.
Nah, that's how you eat. That's how you eat.
Literally, it's here, guys.
I want some rice too.
That's how good it is. They have tripe in it.
I don't know what tripe is. Yeah, I gotta grab some sauce with that. Look at that.
I like that.
Put that here. Try some of that hot sauce.
The spoon to eat this food. I think Filipinos eat with spoons.
We Haitians eat with spoons, so that's why you see me eating with a spoon right now.
Because I need that sauce.
This hot sauce is not hot, I heard, so...
It's not hot? She said it's not hot?
Is it hot sauce? This doesn't smell like no hot sauce.
It kind of smells like shrimp sauce. Let me get that. Give me a little bit.
I want hot sauce. I don't want no shrimp sauce.
What is this? This tastes so familiar.
Yeah, I want hot sauce.
This
is the same sauce.
Yeah.
Dang it, they forgot to give us hot sauce.
This tastes like dried shrimp.
Man, I want hot sauce. I don't want no dry shrimp.
This is good. It tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
But I want hot sauce though.
Sorry, babe.
It's all good. But let me get back to my Palabok and Pancit. Try with the egg though.
You're wasting food.
The egg though.
I don't even eat rice, guys, and this is so good with the rice.
You don't eat a lot of rice.
But I'm eating this.
Wow. Why am I sweating?
I always feel hot in the fast way. This lemon, you guys, I understand now. We have like so many people being like, you need to try it with lime, you need to try it with lemon. I understand. I need to try it with the egg.
We get it. We get it very well.
That egg!
Uh-huh. That egg though.
Wow!
Guys, I love me some white rice with meat and a sauce. It is amazing.
It's not crunchy stuff.
Actually,
I think it's dried fish. That crunchy stuff in the palabok. It tastes like dried fish.
wow.
Damn, you guys. You Filipinos have been holding out on us.
Yeah, I don't play. I think the Jollibee was the first time we had like legit Filipino food. After y'all suggested so much good food, I'm like, we coming here.
Damn. You know what's so funny though, guys? We actually make sometimes lumpia at home.
We always make lumpia at home.
We have like, I really like watching It's Judy Time or It's Judy's Life vlogs. And like years ago she made a recipe with her mom, and that's the recipe we always follow, and it's so good. So that's like the only Filipino dishes that we've had. Other than that, this is the first time.
Why do I have 3 spoons? Or like,
I don't know, you're just greedy, that's what I know.
why would I put three spoons in there?
I don't know, you ate all the lumpia.
It's in you with the love. You have Palabok and Pancit.
I was saving one to the very end.
You play too much.
So rude.
I save you some pork and white rice. Just eat.
You're saving me nice so you spat it out at me?
Just eat. What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
This is how I eat. I put my sauce and my white rice.
That's the Haitian dishes. That's what they do.
Get some of that meat. So good, huh?
I think I'm gonna get more of this. We're outside the restaurant, so
we are outside the restaurant. We might go out and get some halo halo.
Halo halo.
Oh!
Almost spilled it on his car.
And you woulda cleaned all that. What you mean?
I'm just gonna put it all in here so it's easier to spoon out that sauce, if you know what I mean. Dang, that sauce! I really like this Kare Kare.
And this Pancit and the Palabok.
Guys. That tripe absorbed all the flavors.
I don't even know what tripe is.
I don't know, some kind of organ or something.
That lemon though. Look at how much is left, guys.
It makes a huge difference, that lemon. This is an oxtail.
I know. Let me get a bite.
Okay, part of it closer to the bone.
Nah, give me that.
Oh.
Nobody got time for you to pick out no bone.
I was trying to be nice because the bone is the best part. I need more of this adobo sauce. Damn. That's so good.
Adobo, Kare Kare.
Kare Kare.
Wow.
Kare 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 Kare
I think this is gonna be our new Filipino spot.
We'll be back for sure. Which one do you like better, the Palabok or the Pancit?
The Palabok. Palabok. I'm gonna finish this, huh?
Yeah, fine. That green onion is beautiful in this too.
You want this oxtail?
You can eat it.
No, you eat it.
You just don't want to pick off the bone.
No. Guys, for those of you who saw me eating wings, or ever saw me eating the wings from Costco, I hate picking bones.
Oh, yeah. That's one thing, you guys, we can't ever decide on. Well, actually, no, I guess it's good, because I like the bone parts. I think it has more flavor, it tastes better, but he doesn't like it. More for me.
Guys, this was amazing.
I see why you all suggested this now.
Yeah.
Clearly, we've been missing out this whole time.
Guys, we told you guys we are taking suggestions. Like, this is from some of you guys.
A lot of you guys.
A lot of you guys, yeah. Wow.
Should we go for that halo halo?
Let's go for that halo halo. We be back, guys. We're gonna be
We'll
back.
be back.
So halo halo, guys. We got some halo halo.
Halo. Halo halo.
I see everything in there.
Yeah, it's literally like they put everything. There's like ice cream. Oh my gosh. Are those ube chunks? Dang.
Ube chunks.
So yeah, so
hard for
she's
y'all
like,
to see, but yeah.
she's like, you mix it all together, and then once it gets like, I guess once the ice melts down, then you use the straw to drink it. But you start it off with this.
Let's do it. I mean, I'm kind of nervous about all this stuff that's in the bottom.
Know. What's in? I don't even know what it is.
I see spaghetti. I see beans.
Spaghetti?
I don't know what it is. Noodle.
But they like took their time with this. Put ice. They put like the carnation milk in it.
Carnation milk.
I think this is called leche flan. I think that's what she said. Leche flan.
So how do you actually mix together if it's like all the way to the...
I don't know. She packs it up a lot. Maybe let's just drink a little first.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it all together, guys. This is actually good.
Yeah?
This is actually good.
Let me try.
This is good. Well, I didn't have no spaghetti, but it was good though. The carnation milk and everything.
What's that crunchy stuff?
I don't know.
It's almost like Rice Krispies, but like even crunchier.
Okay, guys. We went to a festival before, but I guess the festival didn't make the best halo halo, but this one is actually pretty good.
Yeah, not even gonna lie, we were kind of hesitant to try it.
Yeah, but this one is pretty good.
This is bomb.
Yep. Just the top, the purple
Oh,
part.
the ube. Oh my gosh, take a look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so fresh. It's the ice cream. Oh, I love ube, you guys. Let's take the lid off.
Now you can. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like now.
Oh no! Look how cute and like petite this spoon is.
So long.
That ube ice cream, they need to sell that on its own. I would buy that every day. What is that crunchy stuff?
Ice.
No, do you not taste it? It's like a rice kind of. Oh, look at this, guys. It's like some stringy, jube looking.
That was good?
There's jelly.
Let me see. Let me get a bite.
I'll give you the exact same bite I had. It's cold, huh?
Cold.
It's cold.
The jelly is good.
Jelly is really good.
Really good.
I like that.
Okay.
This is
good, guys.
This is like the perfect summer. They have it under the drinks menu, but this is like a dessert.
You wanted to try the main thing y'all talk about, halo halo.
Yeah. Oh, I got a piece of that leche flan. You can eat part of it. Don't eat the whole thing though.
Just eat it. I'll get a bite. Eat the whole thing.
No, I think there's only a little bit. It's so creamy.
What is that?
I think she called it leche flan. Like some kind of custard or something.
What is that? Okay. I would say this is a really fun drink because everything you pick up, you're like, oh, what is that?
Right? It's like a mystery drink.
What is it?
It's some kind of like sweet potato or something.
Let me see.
I like it. It's sweet on its own.
I can't taste it.
You can't taste it? Tastes good. That's all you need to know.
Okay, we can only eat this one at a time.
Why can't I be the one who stirs? I'm gonna drink it. Brain freeze. Damn.
It's too cold, guys. But it's cooling me off. It's hot as heck in the car, though.
I like drinking it.
Let me see.
Drinking it, you get like all the flavors. But I guess you can't pick up those like jellies and stuff.
You put it all the way to the bottom. How am I gonna suck that? All the thick stuff is in the bottom so it won't go through the straw. What kind of feeding is that? Oh, let me see that right quick. Let me see that right quick.
Just watch. That was probably like the only one. That was the only bite that had that. I'm saying, guys, like every bite is something different.
Right there. There's a raisin in there.
Raisin?
Is that a raisin?
I think it's a bean.
Right there. This one is red thing right here. Show them.
He thinks this red thing is a raisin. Clearly, we're on two different planets. I don't know what raisin is that big and red. It has something in the middle. I really like that crunchy stuff. How does it not get soft when it's in there?
I don't know.
I'm stuck.
Got a brain freeze. That was good.
Did it live up to the hype?
Yep.
I agree. This is good.
On a nice hot day, you can have this.
This is like the picnic snack.
Oh yeah, sitting on the grass.
Yeah.
Eating that. Woo! Wait!
You know what I like too? The shaved ice, it's like bigger pellets. It's not like just like snow, it's like bigger pellets.
Now these people need to go to the
festival?
Because those other people were like slacking. This is amazing. This is the halo halo. Wow, guys. Your halo halo is really good, guys.
The bomb.com.
Wow.
I can still taste that leche flan.
It's like a mixture of flavor in your mouth right now.
Your suggestions, you guys? Keep them coming because this was bomb. I can't wait to try more of the suggestions.
I told you guys
have.
there's a list we got here. We gonna try them all. And this is the second one we tried from you guys.
The second one?
Third one?
I think like third one.
Something
you guys
like that.
have suggested quite a few. We got a list, so don't worry. We'll get to it.
We'll get to it, guys. But anyways, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. We just had some amazing Filipino food.
Amazing Filipino food.
So
Definitely
good.
will be back.
We will be back.
100%. I can eat this every day. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, give this video a like. You guys, give us a thumbs.
I thought you were gonna be like, give this video a like, and I'm like, a thumbs up.
Yeah, a like, a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And it's right there down below. That's why I was going like this.
Yeah.
Give this video a thumbs up. And let us know of more suggestions, you guys. Especially if you guys live in Toronto. Let us know certain places, like restaurants we should hit up. And we'll definitely take you guys with us.
But anyway, subscribe to our channel. Did you say comment down below?
I did.
With the
comment
suggestion?
down below with the suggestions. And share.
And share the video, guys. Share the video.
Share with your friends, your family.
Everybody.
You guys have been growing our channel tremendously.
Yeah, like we growing like crazy. Y'all doing a lot.
I'm like speechless. Wow. You guys are crazy.
Just the other day we were at like 400 subscribers, 500.
We were at like 100. Okay.
Dang, guys.
And here you are, you guys. Damn. Thank you.
We love y'all. We love y'all for real. We love y'all for real.
But you guys, make sure next time you join us again around